Okay, this is the reveal of Nixon's birthday cake.
What?
Go ahead.
That was cool.
Do you like it?
Yeah. What's on here, Mom?
It's the dirt.
Is that sugar?
It's graham cracker.
And what's this?
That's frosting.
This is frosting?
Yep.
Is this?
No, that's paper. And whose number is that?
1522?
Who's that?